bars, okay, or by some deposition. So next we are going to discuss about the work of wind. Okay, work of wind. There are some physical features which are formed due to the erosional depositional work of wind. Let's discuss about some of the erosional and discuss about some of the depositional. Okay, so let's discuss about what incel work. Most of the time in the desert region, due to overgrazing and sometimes due to wind erosion, such type of region which are previously covered with grasses and what thorny bushes, they get what removed, and what sometimes such type of what landforms are formed. These are called incel berg. Okay, and simultaneously when the incel berg, because it is mostly form of sand and big rocks inside it, when the incel berg get eroded due to wind, the rocks within inside the incel berg, they remain left out and they form such type of structures. These are called pedestal rocks. Okay, you might have seen such type of things in the desert. Okay, now let's discuss about the depositional. Depositional, we have what bergschans. Okay, bergschans, what sometimes crescent shapes dunes are formed. Crescent shapes, you can see it crescent in shape, that's why crescent shapes dunes are formed of sands. These are called bergschans. What is sand dunes? Due to the movement of wind, sometimes the sands are formed different type of shapes, okay, or they form dunes, okay, longitudinal value within the sand. Okay, these are called sand dunes, and due to the depositional work of the wind, these dunes are formed. These are normally like this, you might have seen in sand dunes. Okay, these are like this sand dunes. Losses, sometimes the very fine particles of the sands, they are carried out by the wind to a long distance, and they deposited far away from the desertic region and form what losses. Okay, some losses are found in China. These are what carried out from the very long distance and deposited from the Gobi Desert to China. I think it is a very long distance, yet the dust particles carried out from that and deposited in the China. So this is losses. So these are the some physical features which are formed due to the work of wind, incel berg, work of ice. Student, most of the time glaciers are the huge mass of ice, or you can see the river of ice. So these are remain permanent for a long period of time. Then huge mass of glaciers are moved from the hill upper region to lower region. It carry a lot of material or land debris with it and form the moraines. And with this process, it form many different physical features which we are going to discuss today. So first let's discuss about the what corish. Okay, you can see here is the corish. Corish are what when the snow scoop up the loosened soil, loosened material in the mountain, and carried it away and form what a hollow of semicircular size with one side edge is known as a scoop, or with steep sides is known as a scoop. Again I am telling, when the snow scoop up the loose material of the mountain and carried it away by making a hollow of a semicircular size with steep sides is known as corish. This is known as corish. Sometimes when the corish hollow are filled with water, sometimes the corish hollow place, hollow means it's a hollow, khali. So hollow place fill up with water or melted ice water, then it become corish lake. And what happened next, we are going to discuss about what erites. Erites is what, due to when two cories are formed back to back near to each other. Here you can see, here is one coris, here is one coris, and they are formed back to back. They form a elongated high elevated area or a angle or a angle shape. Here you can see, this is called arete. Then next is what, when several cories are formed, okay, they cut the mountain into what, different angular shape and form what, pyramidal peak. They form the pyramidal peak. Such type of these pyramidal peaks are also known as what, they are known as mountain peaks. They are also known as what, we can say horn. They are also known as horn. Such type of one pyramidal peak you can find in the Matterhorn in Switzerland. So this is one example of what, pyramidal peak. So this is all about this chapter. Next is what, U shape and V shape. Whatever the debris and whatever the material carried by the glacier, they deposited at the what, low lying area or in the valley region of the mountain, and sometimes the river also cut up the mountain and form the V-shaped valley. When it is shape is sharp, when it being glaciated, it form the shape become U and it known as U-shaped valley. So student, these are the different physical features formed by the action of what, ice, action of wind, action of water, and action of what, river. So these are the different physical features. So student, thank you for watching my YouTube video. Please share, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.